We'll see you in the next one.
Wait. Hey, Liam. My phone is not working. It's like not working at all. Do you have any ideas to help me fix it?
All right, you ready, Cal?
Yep.
Oh, crap, I forgot the Frisbee.
Oh, it's okay. Just use your phone.
Oh, that's a good point. Ready? Wait. Damn it.
Liam, you're grounded. Give me your phone.
Can't be grounded if I don't have a phone. Yay! Obligatory phone check-in. The top is coming. Oh. The top came. Oh, I dropped my phone. It's over, Anakin. I have the high. Oh, crap.
But I wonder what would happen if you say what you want to say and let the words fall out.
I'm gay.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols.
Here, Coda, eat it. Thank you, Coda. Good boy. Obligatory status update. The back is about to come off. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah.
Seriously?
I don't want the battery to explode or anything, but I don't even know if this has a battery in it.
If it does, rest in peace, phone.
I mean, the battery doesn't have any charge. Haven't used it in years, but Wingardium Leviosa!
The screen is just shattering. Bling, 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 it's fall. I agree with Santa. Y'all never get iPhones ever again.
Here, Riley, break this.
What did you do?
I broke it. Break it. Break this.
Is this your old phone?
Yes.
Break it. Break it. This is really loud.
Don't like snap it, Ben. Just
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Corey. Corey. Stop.
Bella, break this.
Break it?
Yes, break it.
What do you mean break it?
Just break it. However you want. No, don't eat it. Okay, stop. I need to get it back in the bag, you know. Okay. Sophia, break this.
But you can wear it tomorrow.
Steven!
Try to break it.
Right.
What is this?
It's my old phone. No, there's glass pieces. Okay, thank you, Sophia. Improv a scene that ends with you destroying this.
How does that? She's gonna propose to me. Why does it have to end with destroying me?
What?
You can figure it out.
Well, fine. Just
Figure it out.
propose.
No, we'll figure it out.
Just propose then.
We'll figure it out. No.
Mom.
Okay.
I know this might be a bad time. Things aren't going so well, but I love you. Will you marry me? I just got married to somebody else last week.
Got a little piece that came off there. Dang it! Alright, one more obligatory phone check-in. Haven't done one in a while. The back is obviously completely off. Zoe bent it, so that's... and then these are the two main biggest pieces. I can open this up now. That's pretty cool. And then of course, there are a bunch of other tinier pieces, but I mean, that's like... whatever. These aren't hitting. Wait, I'm gonna get closer. For God's sake. It's not doing anything. I can't fire a gun.
Double glasses.
Oh yes, beautiful. Beautiful.
You wanna go?
This probably isn't at all even how you hold a gun, but I don't
No,
care.
you're doing great.
Alright. Let's see. Nice. Cool.
Awesome. Awesome.
Okay, we've got the stuff. We've got a car. I'm gonna drive it. Can you go be the cameraman?
I can.
Alright, cool. Here. Wait, crap. How do you shift gears on this thing?
Oh dear.
I'm a big brain.
Are you ready?
Yes. Are you ready? Whoa.
Yes, I'm ready. Wait.
Reverse is much faster than it was before. Is it going over it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, cool. Alright.
Okay, that's about enough. Perfect. Put it in park.
No, I'm putting it in reverse, Daddy.
Oh dear. Leon.
Okay, fine. Park it.
Thank you.
Wait. Oh, looks like it's parked. What is it doing?
Let's make sure.
Yes, it's parked. See, park.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Calvin, you think the phone will turn on still?
Yeah, I wonder actually. Let's try it.
Here, let's try like a forced startup. Where's the? Oh wait, it won't work. We broke off the power button.
Dang it!
Dang it.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so what we've got, all the little crevices and dents on this piece are purple, this one's stained purple, and all the cracks on this one are completely purple, tops and bottoms are a little bit stained. I didn't leave it on for long because if you know me, you'll know I'm very impatient, but it did something. Calvin!
Oh, hello.
We're rinsing it off.
Liam, I don't like wet sandwiches.
Shut up! We haven't gotten to the next one yet. Hey y'all, the kitchen seems very unoccupied. I'm gonna make a phone sandwich if that's okay with you.
No!
I bite it and then you can eat.
Okay, do it.
I love fruit sandwich.
You didn't actually freeze it, you just put ice cubes in it. Do you mind? What?
Can you hurry up, please? I need to use the water.
Hold on a second. Gotta wash my hands, I actually need.
Wait for it. There's toothpaste down there. That's gross. Nasty. Mission failed, we'll get him next time. See? Water and phone. Same bag. No tricks. See? Ah! None of that. Oh, that's the microwave part. Oops. That's not. Okay. See? Freezer. Bag. Water. Phone. Boom.
Liam, I think that's gonna be fake.
It's not fake!
The next day.
See. Wait, where was it? Really? Calvin! Give me the phone!
No. It's over, but in the white chair real quick.
Really? See? It's frozen. See? In ice. See? Frozen. See? Alright, and now we gotta get all this out of the remaining ice, and I know a really good way to do that, Cal. What you think?
Wait, can we have a little shot of me doing a ice blast?
What?
Can we get a little shot of me doing an ice blast?
Fine. I don't even know what you mean, but...
Make it look all epic.
Okay.
Ice blast!
Okay. Alright, and... we'll melt all this off. Careful, that water's gonna be freezing. Cold out. Alright, we'll get back to you when it's all melted off. Okay, another obligatory check-in, because ice did some pretty good damage. These two pieces are pretty much the same, you know, but then the main piece, the screen is actually starting to come off. So, you know, you can see all the different layers in there. You can see the backing. And of course it's still stained purple. The back we haven't seen in a while, but it's doing pretty good. The top is peeling off, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so we're going on a road trip in a hot second. So what we did, zooming through the sky. So what we did was we zip tied the phone to the front of the truck, and now we're gonna drive a couple 100 miles with it on the front of the truck, and we'll see what happens. Daddy, I think the birdie had a good Thanksgiving.
Yeah. It's probably gonna get on the phone too. There are gonna be bugs on it. It's supposed to rain on Sunday, so it's
awesome.
gonna get rain. Yeah. It's essentially gonna get pressure washed because we're gonna be driving down the highway in the rain, and all of it's gonna hit it.
Yeah. That'll be fun. I can't see it in the car, but when we stop, I'll get it.
It's up there. Yeah, we'll do an update.
Did you get the phone on?
When we stop.
Yeah, the phone's on the front of the truck. Okay, we've made a pit stop to get dinner at a very healthy establishment. Where's the giant sign? Okay, whatever. It's McDonald's. Shush, don't judge. Phone is still there. Yay. Fun. Cool. Boop. We have arrived.
We have arrived. Are you gonna look at the phone?
We have arrived!
Yes. That I am. It survived.
Is it still on there?
Yes.
Awesome.
we just drove up a couple states with a phone zip tied to the front of the car.
I mean, it looks the same so far. Yeah, it's on there well. You did good.
Yeah. Although this part's sort of coming off. Thanks, Zoe.
ASMR.
Okay, but it is cold out here, and I've got to get that
What
stuff
do you
off
mean? You're a white trash car carrier. It's Saturday. We stopped for gas to go get for gas. We're windshield wiping off the bird poop and the phone.
Looks good to me. What do you think?
No, you missed that spot right there.
Wait, and we gotta.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Been pressure washed.
All right, so it's hey Henry. It's
So clean.
we're about to head back. It rained last night.
Yeah.
It's super wet. So
Yeah.
you are in the video. Shut up.
And it's been raining today while we drive.
So yeah, it's doing all right. Yeah. So before when I said it was raining, now it's like really raining. I I think the phone might get a little bit wet.
Yeah, I think we're in the really rainy range right now. Really rainy range.
Really rainy range?
Really rainy range. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. All right, road trip over. The phone. It's still there. It's pretty broken. Yeah, but now we're gonna cut off the zip ties and bring it in. But I don't feel like recording that because I'm tired. So you'll just have to trust me. All right, we actually have an actual fire with actual flames this time. So you can't complain about this one either.
I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, cry, cry. But I like to party. Touch, touch, touch. But I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, cry, cry. Since the day we parted. Touch, touch, touch. But I got nobody, so I do it so low.
Take the actual big piece out, but then we can leave the metal top on because that is going to melt a lot slower.
Uh-oh. That was awesome.
It's fixed. Wait. Ah, crap. My camera's being dumb. It's fixed!
Daddy,
Yeah?
the oven broke.
Of course it did. Hold on.
The handle fell off, and then the other part fell off that was behind the handle. And then the whole front thing kind of fell off, so it's kind of just all breaking.
Yeah. Okay.
Happy birthday,
I know, right?
dear Dad.
Thank you, thank you.
Can we get an F in the comments for Daddy?
Hold on. We got this. We might need the grabby things.
Let's get the grabby things then.
We should get the grabby things.
Where are the grabby things?
I kind of feel like I'm giving up if we get the grabby things though. They're probably in the grilling toolbox. Okay, we'll get the grilling thing.
I don't know, but oh yeah, Daddy's coming in now. Okay.
Y'all broke the oven, really.
Yeah.
It's been falling apart forever.
Oh, Christ. Okay. Liam, be careful.
I will. He's dumb. He just gave me fire tools and told me to be careful. Whew. All right. Any other parts? All right, hang on. I'm gonna set this down so that I can be more accurate. All right, Harry is here to present you boomers with the remaining pieces. Remaining? Is that a word? Remaining pieces of the phone. So we've got this screen piece, circuit board. I don't even know what these are, and the outer shell. Let me just say, this piece right here takes fried circuits to a whole nother level. Okay, thank you, Harry. You can... Thank you. Mama, can I flush the phone down the toilet? What? Can I flush the phone down the toilet? Oh. Well, then how am I supposed to flush it down the toilet?
Get out of here, turn it back here.
Fine.
Holy heck! Hey, Liam. Yeah, I think you should stack them all up and like drill through them all.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to put it on drill mode. Woo!
Woo! And now since I was recording the whole thing, we can do a slow-mo.
Wait, what if I like wrote my name in here.
Yes, do it. Dr. Music. It's spinning around.
Thanks for watching. You know the deal. Subscribe, like the video, and we'll consider doing a part 3 and 4.
You may have won this time, Liam, but mark my words, I will exact my revenge.
Okay, Boomer. Alright, bye-bye.